In the business report, passive income is being paid out or announced to investors who participate in the local stock market through 3 companies this week. Epley Caribbean Property Fund Limited, SCC, has declared a dividend of 25 per share Barbados dollars payable on September 9, 2024 to shareholders on record as at August 23, 2024. The ex-dividend date is August 23, 2024. Epley Limited has declared a dividend of 52 cents Jamaican per share payable on September 13, 2024 to shareholders on record as at August 23, 2024. The ex-dividend date is August 23, 2024. Barita Investments Limited has advised that at a meeting of its board of directors to be held on August 15, 2024, an interim dividend payment will be considered. NCB Financial Group reports a 61% increase in 9 months net profit attributable to shareholders. Net profit increased by 79% to $21.08 billion compared to the results in 2023 of $11.78 billion. Net profit for the quarter totaled $7.39 billion relative to the $4.87 billion booked in the prior year's quarter. At $65 per share offered to the public on June 7, 2024, NCB Financial Group Limited announced that it had raised $2.5 billion through its additional public offering, APO, which was the largest cash raise since 2022. On August 9, the NCB stock price closed at $50.98. Let's get the latest information on the local and regional stock exchange from Denise Williams.
During trading for the period of August 9, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. PVC pipe manufacturer Omni Industries Limited with 6,518,142 units represented 30.55% of the trading activity on the stock market. Entertainment and Real Estate Group Pulse Investments Limited with 5,951,065 units represent 27.9% of the trading activity on the stock market. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,368,741 units represented 6.42% of the trading activity on the stock market. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 9, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $89.57 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $79.77 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.82 and bought US dollars for $156.53. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.29, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $5.02 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $111.21 and bought for $116.23. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.18, selling it for $272 and buying it for $194.54. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're over 50 and planning early retirement, this is the perfect time to focus on rebuilding your credit and leveraging loans to invest in income-producing assets. So we have some suggestions. First, make sure you review your credit report. Start by obtaining your credit report from all major credit bureaus identify any errors, and take immediate steps to dispute inaccuracies. Then pay off debts strategically. Focus on paying down high interest debts first. And so consider debt consolidation to make payments more manageable and improve your credit score faster.